Greetings of the day, class. Today we'll try to learn how to use while loop. We'll take a problem like print numbers from 1 to 100. Clear? In this case, this problem can be solved using any loop, but we are going to start with the while loop. While loop is called entry controlled loop. While loop is called entry controlled loop. Why we call it entry controlled loop? Because before entering into loop means a kind of you can say a block which executes again and again as per condition. It is like that. Suppose if I need to print a document and that to 50 copies of that documents, means that print command will be executed 50 times for that document. In the same way, if we want that a group of statement should be repeated, should be executed again and again, and then we need to use loop. So loops are like while loop, do while loop, and for loop. These are the three basics loop available in C. So we are going to today what we are going to do today we are going to do, or we are going to create a set of code which will print a number from 1 to 100. It's a very simple example for demonstrating while loop. Let's see. We all know that has include inside that conio, or you can go at std io.h. This is the header file, and second header file include console input output.h. We call it conio.h. This is done. We are going ahead with the void main, means no return type for this function. Then we'll go ahead with we'll take first number, that is int I, and we'll initialize it with 0, right? Then we'll go ahead with the while. So this is a loop. We need to write while, and then inside bracket we need to put a condition while I is less than equal to 100. This is the condition, means till the time the value of I is less than or equal to 0. As of now, this value of I is 0. Then we can start with the I equals to 1, because the problem we have taken that to print 1 to 100. So this is the entry of the loop. This is the condition which has to be true. Only then this loop will execute. This opening bracket is called beginning of the loop. Now we'll do what? We'll print f. Print f inside bracket. I will write %d. Why %d? Because the variable is integer type. So what I will print? I will print I, and in parallel I will use /t. Slash t is used for tabbing. This will print simple semicolon. Then what I need to do? I need to do I plus plus. Why I plus plus? Because loop should go ahead. So it is only possible if we are able to increase value of I every time when we print a value. I plus plus means every time this loop will execute, value of I will be increased by 1. I plus plus means it is, you can say it is equal to I equal to I plus 1. This is, you can say this is not equal to, this is called assignment. I assignment 1, I plus 1. This I plus plus acts like this only. Okay. Now you are able to understand this. Then we'll print, and will do what? Will end main. Before ending main, I will put get ch. Get ch means getting one character from the user. And before executing it, I will try to save. It is 1 to hun 100.c 1 to 100.c. Let's compile. Alt F9, then Control F9. It has one error. Okay, that was the error that I missed n here. So I need to print n. So Alt F9, then Control F9. Now you can see that the output from 1 to 100 is available. This was done with the help of while loop. Let's see it again. This is the set of statement which need to be executed again and again. For that, we need to have a loop. So this is the total code for while loop. This is called initialization before loop. I have initialized value of I to 1. This is the condition for loop to be running, you can say. So till the value of I is less than equal to 100, this loop will be executed. Means this statement 1 and 2 is printing an increment, will keep on going ahead again and again till then the value of I is less than equal to 100. As the value of I will go from 100 to 101, immediately this loop will terminate. This was the example of how to use while loop in C. So it's very simple. It has one initialization before loop. This is the terminating condition. This is the increment so that loop is able to end, means to reach that terminating condition. And within this you can put any logic. This the highlighted logic is simple for printing the value of I, whatever is coming. And this slash t is acting as a tab difference. You can see. So you can see this 1 and 2, 3, 4. Every you can say digit will have a gap of 8 characters. That is only possible because of you can say with the use of slash t. Slash t is used for tabbing. So that's all from my side related to while loop. As a simple while loop, please like and subscribe my channel if you find it relevant.